Did you know that Subway Surfers was launched in 2012 and quickly became one of the most downloaded mobile games ever? It's all about dodging trains and collecting coins, but here's a fun twist. Each character has their own unique hoverboard. The game is set in vibrant cities around the world, with new locations added regularly, like Rio and Tokyo. Plus, it features seasonal events, keeping the gameplay fresh and exciting. And get this, the developers are inspired by street art, which is why the game has such a colorful, urban vibe. Who knew running from a grumpy inspector could be so much fun?